How to restore old images using AI tools. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys free AI tools that you can use to upscale or better the old images that you have. Let's get started. So the first website that you want to search for is let'senhance.io. You'll have to log in here using your Google account. So let's just drop in the image that you've just downloaded, or the image you have, and once your image is uploaded, all you have to do is start processing. You can use the custom size if you want. I'm just going to do it auto for now. And once the processing starts, it will use AI to enhance and upscale the image a bit, so you'll just have to wait for it. So here is the upscaling that it has done. You can see the visible differences, and it's much clearer now. Now you can just download the image that you have just upscaled. And from here, you want to head over to another website called restorephotos.io. You'll also have to log in here using your Gmail and upload the image that you've just downloaded. And once you do that, just open this image right here. And once the photo is uploaded, you will just have to start the enhancing process from here. Alright, so here is the restored photo. You can compare it side by side like so, or you can view it side by side. So let's do this, and you just have to upload a new one if you want, or you can download the restored photo. And there you go. These are the free AI tools that you can use to restore your old photos. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.